could see my potential in everything I saw in me. Why couldn't you be the girl just for me? But instead you was fucking with multiple thieves. You never gave me a reason to why you were cheated. You let me so heated, your numbers deleted. You acted like you were an overachievement, and now I'm repeating the play. Laid in my bed, when I feel alone and you're crossing my head. You rip me apart, now a part of me's dead. I still think of shit that I wish that I said. Yet I digress and let it digest. Continue to keep everything repressed and let it compress until I'm depressed. And I snap on a track and I put in a rap on the things I confess. And I swear, you had it said, you weren't right, so I got up and left. You poured the poison, I'll swallow regret. I couldn't expect it from you when you lack self-respect. And just know, I really hate it. You set it up, impossible to save it. I never liked mine until I heard you say it. My love took a toll, now it's time to go pay it. I'm paying my dues. Drunk in a club so numb. Assortments of smoke circulating my lungs. Killing off brain cells till I go dumb. This shit gets old, but I'm still so young. Now where to go, now what to do. Anything to stop me from thinking of you. I'm grabbing the case, taking straight to the face. And I'm hitting this vape and forgetting the truth.